Hi guys, I'm Crystalz, and today we're going to be playing 99 Nights in the Forest with Mad Math Bird. Let's go. Wait. I'm recording now. I've got 2 trees. He's a bit bad at spelling, so you might not be able to understand some of the things he says. Stop. Hell no. Stop what? Yeah. No. Okay, I think this is all good. Luckily, there's no fall damage in this game. Okay, let's go explore. Okay, we're gonna save the child, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Yes. So you can save the child now, but oh, whoa. Is that like a warehouse thing? Oh shit here. Oh my god. So much ammo, oh my god. It's great. It's actually really good. Coal, it's good. Nice. Let's mine this tree. Oh, how much bullets? 24. Wait, hang on, I have a spear. I can save the child. Gosh, should I go save the child? I think I should save the child. So I can surprise him. He's gonna be like, wait, how did you get the child? Wait, what? Okay, 2 locations. This way. Oh, Mike's approaching. Okay, there it is. Now. In fact, no, we can just go now. It's fine. We're fine. Okay, 2 wolves there are gonna go after me. Nope, they're not. Okay. Where's the wolves? Oh, there they are. That's where they are. That's a lot of damage. Hang on, I need to get one of them away. There. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. Maybe not yet. Maybe not yet. Okay, hang on. Oh dear. I think Mad Math Bird's gonna go. Killed one of them. I think I'll be able to rescue them in the morning. And Mad Math Bird's at all the food again. He's known for that. He does it all the time, and it's really annoying. Get his deer away. Oh, what's the deer here? What is the deer doing? Yes, bunnyfoot. Because he always tries to steal my bunnyfoots. Try putting coal in there. Oh. No, he tried putting coal in there. Let's go put myself. Alright guys, I think I should get the good sack, because I have a spear. Yeah. So when the poach gets here, yes. Gonna get good axe. No, I was supposed to get a good sack. Okay, it's fine. It's completely fine. Okay, where is he again? Oh, yeah, she's this way. And then might have to eat some carrots on the way because I'm a bit hungry. Try and avoid the wolf. Avoid some extra work. Okay, try and only get one wolf to come after me. There. Oh, wolf pelt. I think I can get a good sack. Come on, I'm nearly there. Okay, I may as well just eat this steak. Because why not? Oh yeah. Yeah, good sack. Because I shouldn't have got a good rod. Because I can get one right there. And I shouldn't have got a spear because I already have one. So that was a great choice. Okay, that wolf is after me, but I don't think it'll kill. Yeah. Good. Last one. Ah. Time to surprise my math bird. Occasionally. Because you are under my control. A spear. Don't need that. Take it. I'll give it to Mad Math Bird. Oh yeah, I should probably collect all this. That's a lot of food. Right, Mad Math Bird will want this. Hey, stab, stab, stab. Now we need to save a Kraken kid. Where is he? He's all the way that way. I don't think we can get him though. But we are at level 3, we might be able to, you know. I'm not actually sure. There, so according to the sign, he is the way that arrow is, that way, so there is actually quite space there, so he might be there, but I'm not sure. But now I think things can attack us, so I'm not going to go there yet. Okay, hang on, what's this? Oh, this is that. And we've got a bed too. Nice, we also got a bed. Okay, in fact, I'm just going to go now, I can't be bothered. I know the deer can attack, I think, but I don't care. I'm just going to go. Wait, hang on, that was something. That's been looted. Oh shit. A bolt. Sure. Cultist. Yo, wait, what? What is this? Rifle ammo. Don't want rifle ammo. Can this wolf just get away? Thanks. I'll get all this. Open this chest. Another spear. Bro, I'm finding so many chests. A good axe, don't want that. I'll get that bolt. That cash. That cultist. I think that's everything. Yeah, but I don't think we can save Kraken Kid yet. Another chest. Okay, we can't get that. That is annoying that we can't get that. But why am I finding so many chests? What is happening? So we can't save the Kraken Kid yet. think we need level 4 for that then. Now like that. Like something like that. There. Oh no, quickly. Quickly. Yes. I need to show it to Matthew. And scrap. Wait, so that means where I looked. Wait, hang on, I might have looked in the wrong spot. It's that way. Okay, no, I did look in the right spot. Hang on, it's a bit kind of like this. So he's this way. Okay, I think I can rescue the child. Hey, wolf. You could just get away. You wanna go? Let's see who wins. How sad. Okay. Now which way was I going? Guess I think I was going this way. What is that? I'll come back to that. Please, can the Kraken kid be over here? Where is the Kraken kid? Hi, Kraken kid. Wait, so you don't need level 5 for the Kraken kid? What? Oh gosh, I'm hungry. I'll just get that and that. Wait. Why can't we save the Kraken kid? That's what the thing said. And I swear you can rescue him now. I should be able to rescue him, shouldn't I? And how is an alpha wolf this close? Other alpha wolf. Ooh, I don't want beef. I mean, I could kill you, but I'm not. And the deer's also after me. Ooh, you can't get me. Bro, why does Matthew always try to put things in the thing that he can't? Oh, and scrap. What the hell? Okay. You're doing quite well. Where is kid? Because that's what this thing says. That Kraken kid is that way. It's that way. He is that way. Oh my god. It keeps on showing up with different locations. Yeah, he is that way. Now that we've got the compass, it says he is that way. Okay. We get shout. Oh my god. We get shout when it's due. Okay, when it's daytime, we'll go get the child. Well, sometimes he decides not to come with me, so it might just be me that gets the child, but you never know. Okay, let's go. Let's go get this child. Get it over and done with. He's not coming for me. I'm hungry. You are very lucky things, you guys. That will help me. It'll last me a little bit. Grips. Good, good, good. I'm just gonna avoid them. Okay. Now we gotta deal with the gang. Don't mess with the gang. Okay, there's a lot after me, hang on. Oh my god, there's a bandage. I need to get that. Oh no! Bro! does this. Again. You always do this. He does, guys. He always does this. Leaves me to do everything. There is a bandage. It's one in that trash bin. And I'm glad it doesn't drop your items now, because they definitely just kind of ignore me and steal my revolver spiel and everything. Oh, hold up, guys. I've changed it so you guys can't see everything I do. Yes, sir. So you can't see my tabs, you can't see me. Like, I'm on a different tab right now, but for you, it still looks like I'm playing Roblox. I can do everything. Yes. Yes, I can. I even think you guys, yeah, I'm on OBS right now, and you can't even see me on OBS. Here's math mode. I'm looking for OBS instead. Just get me. There is bandage in the bin. And there's an alpha wolf right there. What are you doing? Run! Oh my. Stay still. Let's kill the alpha wolf. Oh no. He's so dead. Oh, just please let me can hold them off. Oh, he's not gonna be able to. He's not gonna be able to. No, put that in fire. What is he doing? Right, guys. Mad Math Mode's IQ, it's in the minuses. Okay? I mean, in fact, he might not even have any. No, minuses is worse than any. The worst IQ you could have. That is stupid. Walking up to them and just staying in contact with them whilst hitting them. What are you doing? What? That's a trash idea. Look, and then you lose a bunch of health. You need to run around in circles whilst hitting them. That's what you do. Put the fuel in the fire. Why is it in the shredder? Do you guys see? It's in the shredder. Right there where my mouse is. It's right there. It's in the shredder. Why? Put cultist chain in shredder. Oh, he always focuses everything into upgrading the dumb crafting bench. Oh my god. Just focus on some other things. Right now I'm dead, so it'd be very good if you helped me. Go get bandage. There was one near me. Why is he so dumb? And now he's going the wrong way. Guys, should I just leave? Should we just play something else? Because he's not going to revive me. He doesn't want to. Oh my god! He's being dumb on purpose, I can just tell. I can just tell. Wrong way. There we go. Now he's going the right way. There we go. He's going correct now. Oh. Never play played 99 Nights of Mad Math mode unless you're prepared. Because he does a lot of things to make you annoyed. But don't go near another one! No, do not. Right. Mad Math. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, guys, what is he doing? Just what? What is he doing? Tell me. What is he doing? Come on, give me an explanation. What is he doing? Hmm? Right. Trash bin. Get it! Just why didn't he get it? Get it. Slowco. No, don't. I swear, he's doing this on purpose because he can't be this stupid, right? Is it scientifically? Is it that possible to? He walked into. Are you serious? Guys, what the hell? Okay, what was that performance from? What was that performance? What was that performance? Horrible, horrible play from Mad Math Mod right there. So annoyed. He's doing quite well as well. I had quite a lot of stuff. Had a spear and all that. And then he just comes out here and is like, actually I want you to die. And then he just makes me do horrible. Yeah. We lose. Look at him just standing there making me do everything. Whenever we start, he just kind of stands still for about 5 minutes. No, a minute. Good minute. Just makes me do everything. You know? Casual him. There we go, now he starts going. Now we realise, oh hang on, he's upgraded the campfire, now let me start. What is the point of going on the same tree I am? It's just a waste of time. What is the point of going on the same tree I already am going on? It's useless, there's no point. No point, you don't need to. It's literally just useless. It's dumb, really, really dumb. Okay, I hope this is a chest. Wait, this will tell us. If it points over that way, then we know it's there. Yeah. But it's not that. The chest is not going to be the only thing in there. It's going to be wolves and stuff in there, isn't there? Okay, we know it's in that room. So I need to get in that room. Okay, it doesn't look like there's many things that... Okay, sounds like there's things in there. There's the chest. Revolver and revolver ammo, I'll take it. I think there's a wolf in there. Oh, yes there is. However, we can see what's in there. See if it's worth it to go in there. Yeah, it's not worth it. I can just get it through here. There. Easy. Okay, where is the campfire there? Night is approaching. My math mode is not back at the campfire, but she doesn't actually need to. I'm gonna go back out. focused on eating the food that I've earned instead of just looking for nearby carrots to just eat. Like, he says he's starving when he's like near like 10 carrots. So I just let him starve without telling him to do anything because he deserves it, to be honest. Oh, hello, Wolf. Good boy. Good boy. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. You don't want to see having beef with me. Wait, hang on. I have 2 things in my stack. What else did I put in there? Well, we'll find out soon enough. Coins. Wolf. Oh, wolf. I'll eat these grapes. There's some space. A bolt. Okay, another bolt. Oh, really, take that. Okay, yeah, it's cool. Alright, guys. 20 foot. Oh, God, I didn't get 20 foot. I was going to. Yeah, get in. Oh, my. His obsession with beds is insane. He makes it the top priority, which, I guess it's fair to make it top priority, but... Okay. Catch a fish by its tail. If it's scratched, let it go. Good sack. Wait, what is that? A chest. Nice. I'll take it. Revolver ammo. Good. Scrap. Coins. A fairy. I'm just gonna collect these, maybe. Okay. Even though I'm not actually gonna use it. Okay, there's the child. Do we shoot them? Okay, this is my idea. So shoot them and then we'll finish them off like this. Can I just hit it, please? Can I hit it? Okay, hang on. Okay, it only takes 2 bullets. I'm gonna put him in the chest. Already got it. Could it be any worse? We've got lots of food too, which is nice. With the grape, we stock up on food. Oops, sorry, Wolf, for disturbing you. Okay, where's the child there? Yeah, we're doing well. Oh, there's the owl. Let me guess, owl cutscene? Oh no. No, if I reached 100. Okay, cracking kid, I'm pretty sure actually takes 5. No, I think only 4. I couldn't find him. I'm pretty sure. Section 77 meters that way. Oh no, it just now it says. Okay, once you take that, it can tell you on the compass, which is quite good. Do you have any wood there? Yes, we do. Let's make a map. Okay, I'll go and maybe rescue the child. I don't think I'll have enough bullets to do it with my gun. So we all need his help. Rescue child spot. Hello, dinosaur kid. Hang on, you can kind of actually see him now. Wait. The deer kid. I really want to save the deer kid. You can't. It is impossible. Let's see if he's genuinely helping me. I think he's genuinely helping me. Let's give a round of applause. Round of applause for Mad Math Mode. He's finally helping me rescue a child. Ooh, oh my god, look at that castle. I wondered, most likely infested with alpha wolves or something. Level 1, 9 minutes. Okay. Oh god, I'm hungry. Got grapes there. Please don't anger the wolves. Good. Maybe my revolver is enough, I don't know. Excuse me, wolf. Do you want to join him? Yeah, okay. Maybe I can get your pelt too. Come on. I'm out of bullets, that isn't it good? Oh, and there's an alpha wolf chasing me. Oh. I need food. I know I'm hungry, okay? Look it. Grape. Oh, I'm starving. Okay, I've saved myself. A lot. Oh, hell no. Look, Wolf, look. I don't have any bullets and I can't kill you. So please, just let me live. Okay, I'm starving. Bro, he ate it. Oh, and wow. Simply, oh, he always likes to ruin the game. Does anything that can make it harder for me. Night is approaching. Thanks, Matthew. Yeah, I'm using your real name now because I'm sick of saying that. I may as well just eat the rest because that's him. It's karma. Karma for you. Oh, cold Pepsi. Oh, he's back. Back from his 2-second trip. Person, I need to make one of them. Where is my trends on TikTok? It's where is the run ruiner on 99 nights, and it just shows him. the worst, and then it goes like the worst 99 nights player. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, guys, it's official. That is my next edit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go save Kraken Kid when it's daytime. We need one of them sundials. Can we get a sundial? I think we might be able to get a sundial. Oh yeah, we can get a sundial. Perfect. Now we know how much longer it is. We'll put that by there. Perfect. So now it's only 20 more seconds. Hey, I'm one that don't tell me. He placed it right there. Maybe that might still work, hopefully. If it doesn't work, then waste. Okay, let's go. No bullets, but an old axe is all we have to kill an alpha wolf. A single alpha wolf. I think it might be possible. I might be able to do it. I am not sure. Let's just avoid all this extra danger. Something evil, of course. Where is the last alpha wolf? With a collar. Maybe he hasn't spawned in. He's there. Okay. Mad Math Mode better help me. Wait, what? Oh, it's because we already did damage. Yes! I want to be the one that does it. Loser. Oh, whoa, this is a bigger chest. So that means he'll have something better. Oh, a leather armor. I'll take that. Okay. Go. Matthew's being mean to me off camera, by the way, guys. So if you call me mean, think twice. Yeah, so think twice before you call me mean. Can I just get a good axe, please? Just let me have a good axe. Like, it doesn't want me to have a good axe. Maybe I should have got a good axe when the pelt trader was here, but I don't think I'm ever going to get it from a chest. Trader's here. I don't actually have any wolf pelt to give it. Yes. Only 5, that sucks. Okay, I need to try and kill a wolf and get alpha. I need to get wolf pelt because I have alpha wolf pelt too. So it'll be really good. Yes. Now we just need to wait for the pelt trader. Finally, I got wolf pelt. Oh, I forgot. Oh well, it's fine. Okay. Oh no, I'm being attacked, and I have an old axe. Is the only thing I can fight with. The only thing I can fight with is an old axe. Okay, let's get the location of Squid. Squid Kid's on the compass now. Yeah. Where's my math mode? Where is he? Guys, where's my math mode? I'm so dead. Why isn't math mode here? Why isn't math mode here? Leaving me to fight by my own. He'll pay for this, I'm so dead. About time you're here, math mode. Come on. Yeah, I have all of them on me. There we go. And let's put all these. Fire. Okay, good. We actually managed to, feed them. Squid Kid's going to be hard because I'm pretty sure it's a bear, and I still don't have a good axe or a spear. Explain that game. Yeah, Pelt Trader be out, better be out today, because I can upgrade it twice. Hey, I hear the owl. Get the owl out of here. It's out. Mid. Just mid. Okay, 10, 15. Okay, we just need a lot of wood. Yes. Good axe. Wait, no, I don't get the option for a spear. I don't know. Giant sack, okay. We've got a giant sack. I'm training. Great. Maybe we might be able to get wood rain storage. There we go, wood rain storage. Well, how does wood rain storage need swap when it's made of wood? It's in the name too. Wood rain storage. It's a bit odd that. I'm hungry. Not to worry, cause Matthew got all the food. Whoa! And I have to live off carrots. Okay, I got the last 3. Don't know where I'm gonna get bear pelt from. Guys, where do you get bear pelt? I'm guessing from a bear, but where do you find bears? That is the question. Yeah, he always uses up that wood for no reason, so I hope he doesn't. Oh god, I'm still hungry. Where's the carrots? It's a carrot. Now I need to get some food or else we're gonna die. I have to eat the... Oh no. I'm so sorry for eating anything that we've had. Oh, there's a bunch of carrots over here too. So annoying. At least we finally got the good axe. But I really want the spear now. Let's head back. Because night is in 1 sec. Oh wait, we did have some food. Where's my map mode? Oh, he's up there. Just out exploring. Okay, we can't get the Squid Kid yet. No, it's not Squid Kid. What is it? I think it's Kraken. No, it is Squid Kid. We can't get Squid Kid yet because we need to upgrade the campfire. I'm pretty sure. So. Yeah. watching this, I've told you at your house and I'll say it again. Stop eating the food. No, no, no. Oh, what are you doing? I hate you. Bro, what's he doing? He took like all the wood from this to upgrade the crafting bench. What the hell? We've got some serious talk. Here's hungry tonight. Good. I want us to die. I want this one to end. Yeah. That sounds like a good idea. Get this ended, okay? If he carries on being an idiot, I'm just gonna eat all the food, put all this in the fire. I don't even know. Sell the children to the mafia. I'm hungry. How sad. We have barely any food. Oh no, and I had to eat it all because I'm Matthew, and eating one apparently doesn't give me enough time to do some more work. And I need to get more wood for the wood rain storage now. God, it's so annoying. Just mine trees if you want to get wood for the crafting bench. Because the stuff in there is for when it rains and we can't do anything. We can't get wood or anything. That's what that wood is for. Not to upgrade the crafting bench. Okay? Not to do that. To save our lives. You are getting rid of something. This is basically what my math mod is doing. Getting rid of something that helps us live. He's destroying something that will help us live. Literally what he's doing. There, at least we've got a good bed. At least he got something good. Well, I swear, if he used wood from the wood grain storage to build that, I am going to crash out. If we don't have 6 wood left, then I swear, bro. Thank God. There, now we're full. We've got a full one. Now I'm gonna make another one. 'Cause why not? So now, if he decides to take a bunch, he'll still have some extras, baby. Bandages at base. Yeah. Oh my God, he's got 3. We've got 4. Do not use that wood unless it rains. I am protecting it. There. Now we're allowed to use this wood. This is a good example. Only I can use this wood. My wood. You cannot use it. You cannot use it. So, sorry my math word, but you can't use that. Please don't use that. Because I will crash out. Okay, I think he's finally obeying me. He's finally doing the right choice. We did it, guys. He's doing the right choice. Okay, I might just use up all this wood. Okay, now I have no wood in the wood rain storage. Hey, we have shelter at least, because it's raining. Okay, and it's raining soon. It's nearly daytime. You just got struck directly by lightning, you imagine? You have no food because of you, and that is true. You have no food because of Mad Math Mode. But surely it stops raining soon. Surely. Right? Right? Dang cultists. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get some food because we have no food. But I'm gonna keep it in my sack because he'll just eat it before I can actually place it down. Yes, you'll rip it out my sack, okay? No, in fact, when I put it in the fire, he'll just put it in his sack and eat it. Literally. Okay, I'll eat a carrot to keep myself going. I can live off a carrot. But Matthew can't, sadly. Casually killing a bunch of... Hey, I might just kill another wolf. Oh no, I'm literally about to be starving. Oh no, I'm starving, help. It's close. It's all because Mad Math Mode. Oh god, I'm starving and it didn't tell me. Bro, why did it not tell me I'm starving? Bro! It's supposed to tell you. That's not fair. Did guys eat all the food? Is he not even gonna pick me up? Offended. Feel offended. Oh, he's going to get a bandage. Okay, fair. God, he's annoying. I'm never playing this guy. Bro, he's not even getting a bandage. He just needed, like, shredder, like, yeah, I'm gonna rescue this guy. Oh, no, my Pepsi gone. Oh, now we're gonna be attacked. Way to go, Mad Math Mode. Way to go. We're so gonna win. You're the best 99 Nights player in the world. Oh, God. Yep. I'm on my way. Oh, God. It's fine. Okay, just try and survive. Okay, kill the boss people first. Oh, you're joking. Matthew, are you serious? Bruh. How many are there? Okay, just run. I had to use one on myself. I never had to use one on myself. Okay, I remembered the patterns of the bow and arrow. I can do about 2 hits each one. Oh, I hate my Math Mode, bro. I actually hate him. Oh god. Run. Revive. Bro, god. I hate you. Okay guys, I'm ending the video. Matthew's too bad to play this game. Bye.